hotshot engineer at isang darling dude.
What you should do tomorrow, you should do everything black except for your mustache. It should be white mustache.
Di ba ba? Time na ng gabi. It's the time of night where you go crazy.
No.
Headphone muna outside.
That's brush your teeth.
Yeah.
Get ready for bed. Thank you.
God.
Forgetting my toothbrush.
What was I doing?
Isn't it?
Kami na lang.
Your decision.
Understands our decision? All the guys know.
I know, but I mean,
Gonna understand. Well, we have to come to them.
I know, it's better that you do. Thank
Because-
you for that.
Because
Keep talking. No, I mean, thank you for that, because
you don't want
the
to
truth
hold
is
them.
so much better than anything.
Yeah, because this game is all full of secrets and stuff. And
Why hide?
what we
Can't tell.
Can't tell, yeah.
Exactly. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah, go! Mama just wants alcohol.
Mama Luz is wild.
Yeah. I thought we all knew that already. No?
Reconfirming the fact. Where did you... Ah, you got your luggage.
Look at it.
What's it?
You're so cute! Oh my god! Look! Anong obvious ngayon?
Pareho kayo ni Slater.
No.
There you go.
Apat din po yun. Ba't ang dami po? Yung ako isa lang.
Yeah, no.
No, don't push it. Just leave it.
Dami mo ang paso.
Oo, bagay.
Camp in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head. Said, if you see this girl, you tell me where I am. Everybody, they don't understand. I'm not broke. Makes no sense. What else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that love isn't me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this earth I could be, maybe you'll come back into the place that we be, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street.
Wasn't the conversation.
Oh.
You're so cute. Slatter.
Why are you so cute?
That's what you guys are. I remind you. Who do I remind you of?
Bias. Wake up. No, it's okay. It didn't have significance.
Yeah. For me. So, I don't know.
Kailan nag-start na you feel off?
2 days ago? Or yesterday? Yesterday was bad.
Oh. Parang everyone.
Every day. I mean, yeah, yesterday everyone was there.
Most of us, at least most of us.
I mean, I don't know. It's just I don't know anymore.
Tila ikaw ang nahihirapan, damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Tila ikaw ang nababahala, bulong ng isip. Huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Alam ng ating mga puso na tayo'y para sa isa't isa. Alam ng ating mga puso, di kailangan na sabihin pa ang mahalaga. Sana'y laging tapat ang pag-ibig mo, naghahanda ang puso ko para sa'yo.
Darling dude, maging Slater's darling kaya itong si Divine.